5 questions on the board. Go ahead and open them up to your math notebook to the next available page and get started on those 5 questions. It shouldn't take you any more than a few minutes to review them after. Can everyone see the questions fine? Yes. What was the rhyme that you guys were told to do? Factors are what? I like I just made a good point. If you guys don't remember what factors or multiples are, you probably just flip the page back a couple pages and reread the definitions that you wrote in there last week, right? So if you guys are confused, go ahead and take a look at your notes. We're ready for the most part here. Yes, why don't we go ahead and get started? Who would like to go up to the front and write down the factors for the factors at 12, number 1 through 2. We list all the factors. All the factors. Jim, can you read your answer?
1 and 12, 3 and 4, and 2 and 6.
The factors for 12 are 1 and 12, 3 and 4, and 2 and 6. You can write them in any order if you prefer to go in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Those are the factors of the number 12. Okay? The answers aren't 12, 24, 36, 48. Those are your multiples, right? The factors for 12 are those 6 numbers listed in front. Great. Number 2. The number 32, who can tell me that would like to go front and write the factors for 32? Max. Okay, what do we got there, Max? 16 times 2. What else? 32 times 1 and 4 times 8. Are those all the factors for number 32? Does anyone else have other factors? Good, because those are the factors for 32. Moving on to number 3. You can list the first 12 factors of the number 2. Thank you for the quiet. asking me or are you telling me? Are those the multiples of 2? Are those the factors? Remember the little rhyme that you guys learned last week, right? Multiples are many, and factors are few. So we know the factors are the numbers that multiply each other. What are their multiples? That's good, right? First 12 factors. So the first 12 factors of the number 2 are, I'll let you read out your answers.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24.
I think you forgot 14. Did you say 14 or no? Don't forget the number 14, it's in the middle there. So those are the first 12 multiples of the number 2. Are there 12 factors for the number 2? Could we have written 12 factors for number 2? That should be your first hint that we're working with numbers that are getting bigger, right? Multiples remaining. Number 4, first 12 multiples of number 3. Those are the first 12 multiples of the number 5. So guys, remember, don't forget when you're working with factors and multiples to just kind of recite that little phrase you learned last week. It'll really help you remember which ones are which, right? Because like we said, you can't find the first 12 factors of 2, 3, or 5, right? So keep those in mind when you're working with multiples and factors. So go ahead and start putting everything away. You don't need anything on your desk right now. Go ahead and put everything underneath your desk. You can put away the pencils. Okay, today we're going to work on a concept that I'm